Guys, good morning. This is our last day going to school. Bebe. Bebe. Last day na namin to.
Remind mommy, 11:30.
11:30? Ito 12:30.
Wow, it's 11.
You sure?
It's always 11. No, it's 12:15 now.
12:15 na.
You're really sick.
Only wait there a long time.
I tell mommy it's 12:15.
Ayan. Pasok na kami and this is our last day. And
School last day.
this is our last day going to school together. See you on the next school year. Huh?
No, I can't go to school.
You will not go to school? This is the boy.
I'm just kidding.
Hi guys. Punta ko kay Nike sa condo. First time kong pupunta doon. Grabe naman talaga yung kagandahan. Sa lakas pa ng ulan, tignan niyo. Ang lakas ng ulan, nag-video ang panahon. Grabe. Ayan. Bonggang-bongga. Paano na kaya ito? Malakas. Sana pagbaba ko, wala nang ulan. Wow! Why? Chanting lang. Hindi, tubo na lang daw. Alis na daw ako.
Dad, you know I have a sketchbook here.
You have tissue?
Yes.
Wow, very fast. Oh, you're hugging me?
Because Coco has files and he wants to give you the files. But I want to.
You want to play?
Yeah.
Wow.
Very good choice.
Very nice.
Very nice. Very nice. I'm waiting this time to play. You're waiting for a long time.
Why? Because mommy is gone.
Yeah, I want to play. I want to play
You fight each other. You
I
will
want to
not
play
really play.
Datinos. Huh? What did you say? I want to play Datinos.
Fight each other. You will not trade.
Little chow. I want to play. Smell candy. Hello. Hello. I'm the massager of the. You see my TV is going.
Aray! I don't have post anymore in YouTube, ah.
Why? How many followers do I have?
I was wondering, ang dami-daming pera dito. Padami-dami ng pera at ang daming pera sa buong mundo. Nakita ng alaga ko ang Pilipinas. Puro yan pera around the world. And the money in the Philippines is nandito. 2 piso. Ano? Sabi ko, bakit niya nakita? Sabi niya. Masulat naman yung Philippines. 1978. Grabe, 2 piso. Papel pala nun yung 2 piso?